Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. I see you in the background liking the video. I see you in the background. Got in here early, and I'm showing up for you, baby. Cause you know what? This is not financial advice. I just hope you bought your oven mitts. I appreciate everybody that got here early. So now I'm showing up a little early for y'all. Much love. So now let's talk about it, baby. Let's get this out of the way, cause you already know what time it is. Your boy Keenan Grace wants you to have multiple brokers. If you are on public, guess what? Hit me up on there. If you're not on public, then what I want you to do is hit the public investing app right here so you can get up to $70 free in free stocks, because I always tell you, I want you to have multiple different accounts. Some you got to hold your long-term plays in, right? And some you got to put your options plays in. So today on live, what I'm going to do is, and especially if you want a Discord, go and check out the watch list so you can see what I'm talking about here. I'm looking to swing trade, aka buy an option, get in, get up, and get out live. I want to get in, get up, and get out on an option live. So now, why do I do this? Because I want to show you one of two things: how you can earn or how you can learn. That's what I want to show you. So what am I talking about? And again, hit the public investing app. The link is in the top of the description, right? It's also pinned to the top comment. Get up to $70 free in free stocks. You can do no payment for order flow over there, right? So you're not feeding the hedge funds. You also get to buy fractional shares. So let's say you want to get into something like Tesla or something like Amazon, and it's just, whoa, this price is crazy. You could buy a piece of it, family. You could buy $5 worth, $100 worth, $50 worth, whatever. So that's why we rocking out. We got to make sure that we are segmented in the fact that we got our long-term investments in one account, and then we got our trades in another account. So now, what am I looking to do today? I'm looking to swing trade, baby. So today we're going to earn or we're going to learn. This is why I get on here, so I can show you what time it is. So you already know what it is. Let me know in the comments where you from. Let's get it. I got Nashville in the building. I got Tampa in the building. I got Connecticut, California. Let everybody know where you from, baby. I love to see it. But let's talk about this. What am I looking at today? I'm looking at today what I made a video on yesterday. But remember, it's BBIG. We talked about this, but you got to understand, I am not looking to hold this long term. So Dallas is in the building. I see you. New York is in the building. What I want you to do is, if you have not done so already, please hit the like button. Go ahead and hit the like button, family. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. I got your back. I'm going to teach you how to, I'm going to take care of you. I got you. And I want you to take a screenshot of this if you have not done so already, so we can explain how we're looking at these certain hot plays, because so many people get into plays and then they end up holding it long term when they shouldn't have held it long term, right? And they get forced into diamond handing a play because they down 80% on it. But if you put it in the right mindset where you say, is this going to be the foundation of my portfolio? Is this going to be an individual stock that I hold? Is this going to be a swing trade for me, an options trade for me? Or am I just trying to build up my cash? You got to ask yourself these questions so then you could jump into the play with the right mindset from the jump. So now, what am I doing with BBIG? I talked about this a little bit yesterday, but we're going to re-clarify on that. So I have this right here. Stock portfolio, let's say 60% of it is in something like a VTI. This is a stock portfolio, VOO. This is an ETF. That's foundation. Notice it's deep green, baby. And then we got our individual stocks. This is like a 20% of your portfolio. This could be Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Google, Microsoft, Tesla, something like that, right? Or even specific individual dividend stocks. But look at this. Swing trades. Hot, hot, hot. This is what I'm looking at for BBIG. But you know what? BBIG is so hot right now that I'm not putting it in a swing trade. This is when you buy a stock low and then you sell it high. What I'm looking to do is buy the options. So BBIG is hot, hot, hot. So I would never use more than 5% of my portfolio trying to ride this wave either up because it's shooting up or ride this wave down. Because remember, you can make money on the way down. Like I always tell you, you can buy a put if you think it's going to drop hard, but you can also make money on the short term. So when the market opens, this is what I'm going to do. I'm trying to show you straight up that I'm going to get into an option on this. I showed the Discord, the ones that I'm looking at. Go check the watch list if you want a Discord. If you are not on the Discord, do yourself a favor, do me a favor, hit the link in the top. This one is hot, 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 baby. And I'm looking to trade the options, get in, get up, and get out. Now, watch this. Let's say that BBIG is headed towards 5, and then it gets rejected that up there, right? Let's just use a hypothetical example. Let's say it goes all the way up to 5, near 5, and then gets rejected right here at this red line, and it crashes. crashes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You know what? You got to know how to make money on the way down. You got to know how to make money on the way down and ride the wave down on a put option, family. Now, let's say that it breaks through the 5 and it's shooting for the moon. Okay, you got to know how to make money on a call. This is why I tell you to get into the Discord with us. So now, also, this is why I keep bringing up public. One of the other reasons is you got to have different accounts, family. If you have your long-term investments in public, let's say, and then you have your short-term investments in something else, like a different app or something like that, then guess what? You would say, okay, I'm only putting 5% of my whole portfolio into any options. So then when the end of the year comes, family, you will have learned how to do options well with all of the practice. However, let's say that you did the worst of anybody who ever did any options. You would never risk more than 5% of your portfolio because you had an outline, because you had a plan. And this is what I want you to do. And this is what I want you to see. This is why I keep showing you this picture, so you can have outline and a plan for yourself, so you could build wealth. That's what I'm talking about, family. You understand me on that? So now let's keep it going and let's see. You got to understand, why is this one in the options location for me in terms of where I would trade it? I would not buy this as an individual stock and just hold. This is not how I'm looking to play this. I would not put this as the foundation where more than 60% of my portfolio is BBIG. I'm not looking to do that. I'm looking to get money on this. And you know what? I'm going to trade it live for you, because guess what? You either going to learn, okay, look, this is how Keenan saw this and this is how he made money on this, right? And earn. Learn, earn. That's what we're looking to do. That's what we're looking to do. But I want to tell you this, and this is no shot to nobody else, but it is what it is. You can't win every single trade. You cannot win every single trade. If you could win every single trade, then people who tell you, oh man, you know, I made $100,000 in a year, I made blah, 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 blah. So look, if you can make every money on every single trade and win every single trade, then there's no reason why you are not a billionaire. You understand what I'm saying? So we practicing risk management. You got to learn offense and defense. So the reason I'm just going to jump into this trade is because I want to show you. I want to show you strong offense or strong defense. So this is what I'm going to show you how to do live. Strong offense or strong defense. Straight up like that. However the market goes, guess what? I'm going to show you straight up how to play it. So now, let's say that your boy sees weakness up here and I ride a put down, right? Cool. Made money. I would jump out, but I might jump right back in. But let's say that I get into a put right here and then it breaks and then goes all the way up, right? And then guess what I'm going to show you? I'm going to show you that defense. I'm just literally getting on here today because I want to just show you, okay, when you get into a play, you get into an option, what do you do when you get into a play and it's not going your way, baby? And it's not going your way. What you got to do is you got to learn how to play that defense. But what if it is going your way? Hey, when are you getting out? When are you taking profit? Simple as that. So now, Melissa, much love. Appreciate you for that. Melissa said, appreciate your DD and knowledge. Pour it into the let's go. Much love for you on, yo, keeping the lights on in here. Shout out to you, family. Much, much, much love. And Mrs. Gibson, shout out to you for joining the family. Again, if you want to join the family, hit the link. It's in the description. Okay, so now we got basically 20 minutes before the market opens. Now, I want you to see this, family. The volume for BBIG, that's what we want to keep our eye on. Do you see this number right up here? It might be kind of small for you to see on your screen, but I'll walk you through it. You know, I'll hold your hand through this one, baby. So check it out. Yesterday, last time the market was open, you see the volume, even in 30-minute time frames. 30-minute time frames. Let's step it up. Let's go to 4 minutes. 4 hours. Let's go to the 4-hour time frames. Look at this. It's been a rocket for the last few days. I'm not looking to get married to this play. There are so many people who are, but not me. I'm looking to make money with this and then let it go. Or if it isn't going my way, then what am I looking for? I'm looking to play defense and then just let it go too, right? I'm not looking to hold on to this long term. One day, this thing could graduate into an individual stock that I want to hold, but for now, it's not quite there yet. So here we go. Let's check this out. The volume on the 4-hour. So every single one of these candles is representative of a 4-hour time frame. So check this out. Just yesterday, we had in a 4-hour time frame, it got to 145 million, and then we had 55 or 53 million, and then we had 2 million in the after hours, 1 million in the pre-market today, and then 6 million. All right, yeah. So the volume is there. Let's compare today's volume to yesterday's volume on the let's call it the hourly chart. So let's zoom out. We want to see what did it open up on. Actually, even quicker than that. Let's look at the 1 minute. Let's look at the 1 minute to give us an indicator as to what happened yesterday on this chart. So every single one of these candles, you see how they're really, really small and there are many of them? Every single one of them is literally 1 minute. Let's look at what the first minute, what happened on BBIG, the first minute it opened up. When you look at this, yesterday, the first minute it opened up, there was 2.6 million trades. Most of them were selling, right? And then you look at the next one, 700,000. So this isn't not an indicator of strength. However, look at what happened. It shot up anyway, even though this was not an indicator of strength. Now, what's going on with BBIG? BBIG is like a wild card. So have you ever played, let's look something up. Have you ever played, there's a card game called Crazy Eights. And when you play Crazy Eights, let's see. When you play Crazy Eights, it's just a regular card game, but you play in the regular rules. However, the eights, they are a wild card, right? In the stock market, these short squeeze plays, family, these are like the Crazy Eight wild cards, where all of the other cards, they're playing by the rules, but then these cards have their own individual ones. You understand what I'm saying? So then let's check this out. Oh, yeah. By yesterday, I mean the last market open day, family. So, okay. If you want to be all the way down to the details, just use your mind. You know what I'm saying? Let's think. So here we go. Check this out. Wild card. The technicals, just on the minute chart, you can't take the minute chart for too long, then or take it to the bank, right? You got to say, this is what's happening. Okay, I understand. But check me out now. You see 1 minute showing a lot of weakness. And then a little bit, you see that it's showing still kind of weakness. The volume was low. But then after that, there's no real strong indicator that this thing is going to rocket. And then it showed more weakness and then rocketed again. This is like that Crazy Eight. You got what I'm saying? This is like that Crazy Eight where it's just doing its own thing. So it is what it is. Straight up. I love to see it. Somebody said this. Stop showing ignorance. The market was closed Friday. We ain't gonna be all super specific on the details. That's not that important. Now let's keep it going, family. My guy said, "Good morning, Keenan. You have the chance to check out mini world token." I have not even heard of that. I have not heard of that. He said, "Look, you saying BBIG will hit 100?" No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that I'm trying to swing trade this, but an option. You understand? Swing trade the option. So I'm going to show you how it goes. All right, so now you said scratch that like button. Let's get it, baby. I love to see it. Straight up. Straight up. All right, now. So let's see. And one thing about the internet that's kind of funny, right, is let me tell you something. People are so matter of fact, right? They're so matter of fact that you listen. If I say yesterday, I meant yesterday. You got to deal with it, baby. Straight up. So good morning. Let's get an entry point for BBIG. Hey, we got to see how it works first. We got to see what's going on. We want to see if we're going to see a sign of strength or weakness, and then we're going to just roll just like that. But before we even do it, notice we got 5 minutes. So how I'm going to do it is this. The market's going to open at what it's going to do, whatever it's going to do, right? So, no, Antoinette, I know what you mean, baby. I know what you mean. It's all good. So check this out. The market's going to do whatever it's going to do. Let's say that it comes down at first. I will let it come down a little bit. Boom. You got to notice, whenever I get in a play, those who've been rocking with me for a long time, then understand, I don't go all in up front. Never. I will not do it. Never. I go in multiple different buys. You understand what I'm saying? Multiple different buys. So, bop, bop, bop. You remember that? Where my notepad at? I got to get my notepad. I put it upstairs. Bop, bop, bop. You know what time it is. So I'm looking to get in. Said, bro, can you check AMC? Okay, yeah, I'll do that. Well, we got 5 minutes, so I'll check AMC. I got you. Don't let me forget that. Everybody watching should have hit the like button already. Let's go. That's love. So here we go. Whatever happens, happens in the beginning, right? We're looking at the MACD. It showed a little bit of weakness, but now it's starting to come up and show strength. But just know, there are so many people. You say you can hear me? Citizen Kingdom of God. Shout out to you, family. Shout out to you. So let's check this out. Whatever can happen at the market open. Some people don't buy in the pre-market. Some people don't buy in the aftermarket. This is this gray right here. The market opens on this blank, like black screen right here, not the gray. The gray is the pre-market. So what we're doing is, boom. I'm going to see what happens here, and then I'm going to play that. But I'm not going all in at once. I wanted to let you be clear on that. I got a strategy before I even get into it, right? So let's use some hypotheticals here. Let's say that I buy it, and let's run some technicals on this. However, remember, this is a short squeeze play. This is a short squeeze play that a lot of the big dogs have a lot of control over, right? So you can't get married to this because you're going to lose a lot of your money. So let's look. 25% short interest. This is bbig. 25% of all of the shares that are circulating are being used to short it. What does that mean? That means that the big dogs have borrowed it up here all the way at the top. They then sold it high, and then they try to buy it back low. Let me help you to understand in simple terms what a short sell is. Imagine that you are at home with your significant other, right? And then they leave their phone on the bed, right? Let's say that you just dead broke. You dead broke, right? They leave their phone on the bed and they got an iPhone. So then you say, man, I'm just sitting here broke. My significant other, they went to work and I'm just home and I'm just sitting here waiting for them to get back, right? So then you dead broke. So then you decide that you're going to take their phone. Remember, you got to give it back to them before they get off of work. So you take their phone and you go and sell their iPhone for $1,000. You just sold their phone. They need their phone back by the time they get home, right? So you are on a time frame. Your expiration time is when they get home, right? So you got to have that phone back. But you just sold their phone and boom, you made $1,000. But guess what, family? What you need to do now that you have $1,000 is use that $1,000 to go back and buy the phone. But hopefully you could buy it for less than $1,000, so then you could end up with some money. So let's say that you borrowed their phone because they went to work. You got it. You got to give it back before they get home. So then what you do is you sold it to somebody for $1,000. So you sold it up here at the top. The price of the phone comes down, and then you get the chance to then buy the phone back for $500. So then boom, you got $1,000. You went and bought the phone for $500. Family, now you got $500 and the phone. You just did a short sell. You sold it high for $1,000. You bought it back for $500. So now you got the phone and you got $500. Family, let's go. That's how you do a short sell. You understand? So then when they come home, guess what? They got their phone back and you got $500 that you did not have before. So do you understand what I'm talking about, baby? That's how we rocking out. Okay. So now I don't want to forget about AMC. Remember, I'm diamond handing my shares at AMC, right? Straight up. I'm diamond handing it to the moon or the zero. It is what it is. I'm doing this. It's bigger than the stock market for me. This is a play that we want to help the retail investors just to win overall. Now, I do got to show y'all something about bbig. I'm about to get into this option too, by the way. So let's just know that. Remember, I'm not going to buy it all at once. What am I going to do on this? I'm going to use, let's say I'm going to use thousands of dollars. I'm going to just tell you straight up, I'm going to use thousands of dollars, but I'm not going to use all of my money at once to get this. So I want to get in for a pump up. It might come back down. So, okay, I'm looking to get into bbig at open. So far, it's going down. So it's coming down. I'm expecting it to come down and pick me up. You see the MACD right here? It got rejected. Right here. But I'm looking for it to come down so then I could get in and then try to ride the wave back up. I'm still going for, let's see. I'm still going for positive. So I'm going to get 15 maybe. Let me see. I'm going to get, let's see. No, I'm going to get 20 of the contracts. I'm going to get 20 of the contracts at first. However, I'm willing to buy way more than this. Dag is shooting up. I'm putting in about 1,500 right now. Okay. Let me take this out the case. I'm looking to buy 1,500 of this. It's coming back down to pick me up. Here we go. And remember, this is my first buy. This is my first buy. I'm looking to buy about 1,500 of this on the first buy. Let's see if I can get in. All right. So, Discord fam. Here we go. History. And remember, I'm not going long on this. I'm not going long on this. Let's see. Come on down. Come on down. You want to get the best price you can get. Remember that. I'm kind of sitting right there. I'm sitting right there. Notice, I'm going to buy some. I'm putting it on the watch list as to how I'm going to play it. I'm hoping to see it come down to about 4.5. Let's see if we could come down there. Let's see if we can come down here. A support level is right here at 4.4, almost 4.5. I'm not going to jump just yet. We are kind of sitting on a weak support, you could argue, right here. All right, so I'm jumping in. Here we go. All right. So I'm going to post this to the Discord. So notice, Discord fam, I am swing trading this. I am swing trading this. So I'm going to put it on stocks of the week. If you're in the Discord, check out stocks of the week. You can watch me play offense or defense live. Here we go. All right, Discord fam, I'm putting this up on stocks of the week so I can day trade this. Okay. Remember, you got to remember what I said earlier. You never put in, just so we clear, more than 5% of your portfolio on an option. So I'm day trading this. And notice the first couple of minutes is extremely volatile. BBIG is hot, hot, hot. This is how you handle the heat when you understand that you got to limit it. Okay, so now I'm still playing it for the upswing. But if I notice we break the support, then I wouldn't be so bent on playing it up. You see what I'm saying? So if we start to tank, then what I can do is play it down. So for now, remember, I did my first strike. Boom. I'm going to keep it going, and let's see what's going on. So right now, at this very moment, we see that we're starting to show. And remember, this is the first 15 minutes of the market. You can't take it to the bank too serious. You see what I'm saying? So now, what do I mean by that? You got to kind of chill. You got to kind of chill and say, okay, anything can happen. It's the wild, wild west in this point, right? But what you want to do is get it low when it happens. So, okay, I'm still here right now. I picked it up. And you also got to watch out for two other things. Implied volatility, right? You got to watch out for the implied volatility. And you have to watch out for time decay. AKA, I'm not looking to hold this for way too long. Can we see the steps you are doing? I put it on the Discord so far at the point that I bought it. Right now, I'm up like $40. Right now, I'm up like $40. But this is... I'm looking to make more than 40 on this. I tell everybody generally I like to make about $100, but I'm gonna just play this one all the way through, straight up. I'm gonna play this one all the way through and see what time it is. So again, I want you to let's go back in time. We'll come back to this, but we want to see if we see strength or weakness, right? This is BBIG. It just opened up, and to be honest, there was some selling pressure, but it's not that heavy. So let's see. We're going to play offense or we're going to play defense. It's as simple as that. Offense or defense. I'll show you. So now, Let's go back. And let me tell you something too. This is why, and again, no disrespect to anybody else. This is why so many people are afraid to trade live, because notice this. If you're in the Discord, look at stocks of the week. I am in a call option, but a lot of people won't know what to do if the call option that they get in on live starts going the wrong way. They won't know what to do. But the fact that I know what to do and I can teach you what to do gives me the incentive to say, okay, if you get into a call option and then it's not going your way, what are you going to do? Right? I want you to be able to see what I would do if it's not going my way. But if it is going my way, hey, let's get money. I got you. Straight up. Straight up. Okay, yeah. Quick. Here we go. You just watch. Hey, look at that. Look at that, family. Let's win. Let's go. Yep, here we go. Family, come on now. Join the Discord. Join the Discord. And I'm doing this live, baby. I'm doing this live. I'm up 250. I'm up 250. How long did that take? 7 minutes? 7 minutes? Come on now. Come on now. I'm up 280. How long did that take? 7 minutes? Yeah, I'm about to get off live. I'm up 350. How long did that take? How long did that take? Yo, family. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Come on. Come on now. Come on now. I'm about to get off live. I'm about to drop the mic. I'm about to drop the mic. Come on now. $300 in 8 minutes. I like money. And we ain't got to go out here and risk our lives to get it. Yo, come on now. Come on now. Discord fam, I posted it on Stocks of the Week. Do you see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? We need you to teach the defense. I was going to teach the defense if it wasn't going in the right direction. Now, come on now. Come on now. I'm out. I'm out. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I see you in the Discord, baby. Family, take care. I'm getting out of here. I'm dropping the mic on that. Again, if you can't handle the heat, consider investing in index funds, baby.